The next web-based software that I explored was called Miro, which is kind of like you can do an online whiteboard or collaboration together. The reason that I went with or selected Miro when I was looking through is that I was looking for ways that if we go to remote learning or distance learning due to quarantine or anything like that with COVID and everything that's going on, um, that I could like work with students instead of just lecture at them in math, or I can let them. I like more group effort on a whiteboard in my classroom, more than me staying up there and just asking questions. And so it allows students to work together, or for me to look at their work on group problems and scratch through it too. So, my main goal on having Miro was to just get more involvement on Zoom or whatever video software or meeting software that I'm using, because you can share your screen or you can connect to Zoom so you can talk, but then uh, have them work on the whiteboard. Because sometimes last year when we were on Zoom, I had a tough time getting involvement from some of my students. They'd get distracted, but this would give them a way to be more involved. So it'd be intended for my students, but also possibly coworkers for collaborating on different projects, or working with coaches that may be in quarantine can draw up plays and different things to talk over on the whiteboard. This helped me with ISTE standard for educators 3C, which inspires a culture of innovation and collaboration by using digital tools, and 3D, which support educators in using technology that helps meet the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. Some people may need more involvement when they're on Zoom than what they can get over just a video talk. This way, they can actually use technology and still work together. So here's where I got once I set my free account up, and you could choose through templates depending on what you wanted to do. So team alignment, which could be helpful in curriculum planning with other teachers, kind of some concept maps or any ideas. For math, I like the whiteboard option that I have here. That's just what they had on there already. But then if you go over to the left here, you can type text. So you could do a text box if you wanted a formula. And say, like in my geometry or the distance formula, you could type it out so it's more legible than my handwriting. And once I get our new touchscreen computers in, you can use the pen to write easier than I can with the trackpad, like I'll try. But you could type in anything like the formula, the distance formula that's hard to type. You can actually draw it. Something like that. There's more to it, but that is all from Miro.